Hello guys, seeing the thumbnail, don't get confused that I'm going to talk about electrical wires or electrical sparks. Not at all. I'm going to talk about sparks in Excel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel RSK Training, and today we will be talking about spark lines in Excel. So, what are spark lines? Spark lines are nothing but mini charts. So, as you have broader charts, you can have mini charts which fit in a particular cell. Let me show you how. First, I'm creating a sample data which we would be working. Say I have some electrical products and say a TV, AC, washing machine, refrigerator, and I'm going to show you the sales for the first quarter. So I'm filling months, so I'm taking some random numbers. For this, I use the function ran between, which will create random numbers for me between the range of 10 to 50. And then we will show you how to create sparklines. So for this, I go to the Insert tab. I click on the line sparkline over here. It asks me for a data range. I will select this one, and then where is my location where want my sparkline? I want this in E2, so I'll just click on OK. And when I drag this till the bottom, sparklines are created for all of them. Now, like happens in all objects, that we can change the color or we can change the design of the sparkline. There are various designs over here or various colors over here, whichever I can put. Similarly, I can put markers on this spark line like we do in charts. I can highlight the first point or the last point. I can highlight the highest point or the lowest point. Then we have something called negative points over here. Of course, as you know, sales cannot be in negative, so negative points are not covered here. But yes, I would cover in my forthcoming sessions. Thank you guys, and I hope you like my video. If you did, or click on the like button, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this with someone you think it can benefit for. Right guys, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.